Good afternoon. Let me introduce myself. I am Fitri Akbar with class ID number 1018. Here I will presentation the result of food processing technology from the Gadung tubers commodity. Physical and chemical characteristic of Gadung tuber chips result of a long soaking in various water flow discharge. The first introduction. Gadung tuber are a type of tuber that is rich in carbohydrate and is often processed into snacks such as chips. However, the stout tuber also contain a toxic compound in the from a hydrogen cyanide or HCN, which can be harmful to health if not processed properly. The high CN content in gadung tuber can reach 469 ppm, while the safe limit for high CN consumption for human is only 50 ppm. Excessive exposure to high CN can cause symptoms such as dizziness, weakness, vomiting, stomach cramp, and even fighting. To reduce high CN levels so that they are safe for consumption, a special processing method it needs such as continuously soaking gadung tuber in water. The purpose this study was to determine the decrease in high CN level by the soaking method with various combination of water discharge and soaking time so that gadung tuber that are safe for consumption will be produced. The second material and method. Tool and material. Material, gadung tubers, wood as water, salt distilled water, AgNO3, NaOH, Kl, and NH4OH. Tools, analytical scales, frying pan pots, large bucket, color reader, outdoor glassware, vernier calipers, immersion tools with water tank. And the experimental design method used in this study was a randomized block designs or CRV factorial with two factor, namely soaking time and flow. Next, chips gadung making gadung chips. The making of gadung tuber chips begin with peeling. The purpose of peeling is to remove and clean the skin of the gadung tuber so that it is clean for the dirt and scaling with a thickness of approximately 3 millimeter. After that, wood ash is incubated or sprinkled on the chips. The use which is 80 grams for every 6 kilogram of weight chips. The ash gadung tuber chips are then left for 12 hours, followed by drying in the sun until dry. Furthermore, the gadung is soaked for 3 days according to treatment, namely with a soaking time 24 hours A1, 48 hours A2, and 72 hours A3, with a water flow rate 0.05 liter per hour kilogram D1, 0.50 liter per hour kilogram D2, and 0.25 liter per hour kilogram B3. Then the gadung chips are washed with clean water. Continue by boiling, adding 3 grams of salt and 2.7 liter of water for every 2 kilogram of wet chips with a boiling time of approximately 4 until 5 minutes. Then the chips are dry. The parameter, the first yield, color brightness, expansions, work power, ICN content, moisture content, and ash content. Next, result indication. The first yield. The high yes, the highest yield was found in the treatment of water flow rate 0.05 liter per hour kilogram with a soaking time 24 hours at 21.19%. While the lowest yield was found in the treatment of water flow rate 0.25 liter per hour kilogram with a soaking time 72 hours at 17.37%. The low yield of cheese chips is caused by the long soaking time with a high water flow rate, which increase is dissolve component into the soaking water which cause damage to gadung chips. The gadung chips will cause a decrease in their yield value. The second, color brightness. The highest color brightness value of gadung chips in found at water flow rate of 0.25 liter per hour kilogram with a soaking time 72 hours of 50.17%, while the lowest color brightness value is at 0.05 liter per hour kilogram with a soaking time 24 hours of 40.32%. Based on the above value, it can be seen that the longer of soaking with a high water flow rate, the higher the color brightness of gadung chip. This is because the dirt that sticks to the surface of the chips will be left along with the length of the soaking time. In addition, a high water flow rate will help erode the surface of the chips so that the color of the chips is brighter. Next, high CN content. The high CN content at a water flow rate 0.05 liter per hour with soaking time of 24 hours was 17.35 ppm. Meanwhile, gut the treatment of water flow rate 0.25 liter per hour kilogram and a soaking time of 72 hours decrease the HCN content by 9.70 ppm. The longer of soaking time, the lower the HCN content of the gadung tuber will the greater the water flow rate, the lower high CN value. This because in the soaking process, the high CN gadung tuber will diffuse out. Water can break down or decompose ICN from cyanogenic glycoside bond so that much ICN is dissolved and carried by water. High water flow can reduce ICN level. Flowing water will reduce ICN level in gadung tubers. After undergoing the soaking process, the ICN level of chip decrease to the safe limit of ICN consumption in body with less than 50 ppm. And last conclusion, the soaking time and water flow rate significantly affect the physical and chemical characteristic of gadung chips. Increasing soaking time and water flow rate will be reduce the yield, expansion water, moisture content and ash content of gadung chip but will increase the brightness of gadung chip's color. Okay. That's all my presentation and thank you for your attention. I will close my presentation. Thank you.